Hey everybody, I'm Joey, and today we're gonna turn up the tasty with some incredible Wagyu beef. Our friends at Wiens Wagyu sent us some samples of this top flight beef, so follow me and let's check it out. So here's a spoiler alert. I already opened the box. This arrived 2 days ago, and like a kid at Christmas, I just couldn't wait to see what's inside. It's every meat lover's dream to receive a box of the very best beef delivered right to your door. Let me tell you a little bit about Wiens Wagyu. The owner of Wiens Wagyu recently contacted me and asked me if I'd be willing to try some samples of their beef. After speaking with the owner, Braden, I immediately knew this is the type of company I want to support. You see, Braden is a fourth-generation family farmer from the breadbasket of the US, Meade, Kansas. He's out working the ranch to support his family while also raising some of the highest quality beef available, and I respect the hell out of all of that. You see, Wiens Wagyu is dedicated to raising 100% Wagyu beef, and that's really important because a lot of the Wagyu that comes from the United States is only half Wagyu. It's mixed with another breed like Angus. You can find out more about the ranch or order from them online at wienswagyu.com, and we're going to include a really nice discount code for you here at the end of the video. Now, let's see what's inside. First, as you can see, it came in a cooler and it's ice cold. Those steaks are frozen. The first thing you're going to notice is this certification from the American Wagyu Association indicating the integrity of the beef as 100% Wagyu. That's important. Also, before I forget, we're going to be featuring select cuts from this box in a 3-part Wagyu beef series that we're going to be releasing in the near future. So stay tuned. But now, let's see what's inside. First, we have this KC strip filet. That's a strip steak which has been cut away and rounded into filet form. And if you look on the back here, you can really see some incredible marbling. That looks just fantastic. That's where it gets all the flavor. Hell, this might actually just be unicorn meat, I don't know. Next, we have the beef flat iron steak. This is very similar to a flank steak, except it has much more marbling and it's gonna be more tender and more tasty. Next, we have the Denver steak. Now this is a really rare cut of steak. You're not gonna find this in your local grocer. It takes the skill of a trained butcher to extract this cut from the otherwise tough chuck roast. But again, the marbling you can't see, it's absolutely phenomenal. Can't wait to give that a shot. Next, we have these beef short ribs, which are the flanken cut. And this comes from the traditional short rib, except they're cut across the bone horizontally instead of vertically as a traditional beef rib is. Those look fantastic. Finally, we have some good old-fashioned ground beef, 80/20. I think this is gonna make an amazing hamburger or meatballs. As I mentioned earlier, we're so excited for you to try this. Wiens Wagyu is offering our viewers 10% off their very first order by using the promo code RML, Red Meat Lover, RML. Also, we have an affiliate relationship with Wiens Wagyu, so when you support them, you'll be supporting this channel as well. We absolutely love making these videos, and we're not gonna stop until our wives shut off our bank accounts. So treat yourself. Go to wienswagyu.com and place your order today.